Hi, this is Kate Arthur, and this is my Genius Hour lesson. First semester, students did a Genius Hour research project where they developed their research skills and their ability to do informational writing. Second semester, they are allowed to continue with that topic or change it completely to do more of a project based assignment. So now the focus is on publishing their writing and collaborating with other people to create these projects and also to present about them in a multimedia format. I have done Genius Hour with eighth graders for the last 4 years, and every year we do it a little bit differently. This year, the focus is on creating a Google site for the first time and also using Google Forms to monitor progress because it is really difficult to allow 100 more than 100 students to do more than 100 different projects, but it certainly facilitates creativity and innovation. It allows them to communicate and collaborate with each other to get these projects done. And the problem solving, so much problem solving and decision making. This project is like nothing else they've ever done before, and they really do learn about a lot about how to apply critical thinking skills. Um, these are some of the essential questions. Ultimately, we are trying to make some kind of impact with something that we are passionate about. And they are assessed through the Google site that they create. The Google site serves two purposes. This is my model one. It allows them to show me different things I need them to show me to demonstrate mastery, but also allows them to share their project and ideas with the school community. It is housed in our domain, so only people in Fulton County can see the website, but they are able to share it with all of their peers and teachers within the school. This is a list of all the assignments that they are completing. You'll notice that there is Google Forms for points on almost every single one of these. That's because I added a layer for classroom management this year. So for each one of these assignments, they are turning in some type of Google form. And within it, they can embed pictures or answer questions for me. And then that will translate to various points. This is what it looks like from the student point of view. They can find their student ID number and see which assignments they've turned in and which assignments they need to get feedback on. So it's just a classroom management system that I'm trying out this year just to help me give them feedback in a more timely manner and also for them to keep track of what they've turned in and what they still need to turn in. So the assignments that they're turning in through the form are one assessment, but then the big assessment is really the sharing of their projects with the class. So their project could be, to build a skateboard or to save sea turtles, and whether or not they actually succeed in doing those things doesn't matter. What matters is that they put forth an effort and that they interact with their school community in some way. So for the presentation, we're looking for evidence of that, and we're looking for evidence of the interaction with people and that they're able to talk about their successes, their failures, their problem solving, how they overcame obstacles, and that they're able to present in a way using multimedia, whether it's showing us their website or it's creating a Google Slides presentation or showing a video, whatever it is that they are using with their presentation. There's a lot of technology and a lot of resources for this project. So there are resources that I'm using to help me manage the class, which I showed you. But then on the resources page of my Google site, I'm showing them how to set up Google Sites, giving them tips and tricks on that. We're using Padlet to connect with each other. Maybe somebody needs help with getting people to fill out a Google form, or they want to promote an event, or every time I open this, there's something new. Noah K needs a blowtorch. Someone needs fairy lights. Somebody wants people to fill out this Google form on what's your stance on things. So that's just a place for them to connect with each other and see if anyone's, doing something similar or just if someone needs help. Here's a rubric for blog posts and reflections, and then the rubric I just showed you. So that's where we're housing all of the resources. They also have access to an assignment list, digital tools, and troubleshooting. In addition to Padlet and the entire Google Suite and Google Sites, everyone is using Flipgrid, and then these are depending on what individual students' projects are. It is really hard to be a Genius Hour teacher, but I keep coming back to it because the kids keep surprising me. They remember it forever, and I love being their cheerleader. I would encourage anyone who's wanting to try Genius Hour to just jump in and see where it takes you.